So hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today our topic is about the effect of organic fertilizer on the growth of Munggo plant. So what we have to do is analyze the effects of the fertilizer on the growth of the plants and answer the given questions. So let's go. Contents: Science: identify the components, then classify of what type of compounds is it. Math: demonstrate understanding of key concept of variation. English: demonstrate of how Anglo-American literature and other text types serves as means of enhancing self, also how to use processing, assessing, summarizing information, word derivation, and information strategies, appropriate word order, punctuation marks, and interjection to enable him or her participation actively in a speech tour. First thing is that we will read the article so that we may answer the following given questions. Effects of organic fertilizer, vermicompost, on the growth of Munggo bean or Munggo plant. For now, I will give you time to read the article. If you need more time, just pause the video. And if you're done reading the article, study the table below and answer the following guide questions. So now that we're done, we're gonna read these materials that is used in planting Munggo. Mung bean as a dry seed is one of the major pulse crops of South and Southeast Asia and the excellent source of plant protein. The dried seed of green gram contains of 23.6% protein, 58.2% carbohydrates, 1.2% fats, 3.3% fibers, 5776 mg, 100 g iron, and 4% of minerals. Soil is composed of both biotic living and non-living insect and biotic materials, non-living factors like minerals, water, and air. Soil contains of air, water, and minerals as well as plant and animal matter, both living and dead. Fertilizers are composed of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium compounds. They also contain of trace elements that improve the growth of plants. The primary components in a fertilizer, which is nutrients, which are vital for plants' growth. Plants use nitrogen in the synthesis of proteins, nucleic acids, and hormones. Key concepts of variation. A relationship where one quantity is a constant multiplied by another quantity is called direct variation. Two variables that are directly proportional to one another will have constant ratio. A relationship where quantity is divided by another quantity is called inverse variation. For now, we will answer these guide questions. A. Which of the three plots recorded with the highest numbers of leaves, longest stem, and the greatest number of sprouted seeds? Write the number of leaves and average length of stem and number of seeds sprouted. Why do you think so? Answer. Plot 3. Stem 9 cm, leaves 8 cm, seeds 9 cm. Because the amount of fertilizers were many compared to the other plot, so that's why it has the longest stem, highest number of leaves, and greatest number of sprouted seeds. Also, fertilizer contains elements that can improve growth of plants. B. Which of the three plots has the least number of leaves, shortest stem, and least number of sprouted seeds? Write the average number of leaves, length of stem, number of seeds sprouted. Why do you think so? Answer. Plot 1. Stem 3 cm, leaves 2 cm, seeds 2 cm. Because it has the least amount of fertilizer, so that's the reason why it has the least number of leaves, shortest length of stem, and least number of sprouted seeds. C. How will you relate the amount of fertilizer applied per each plot to the growth rate of mung bean or Munggo seeds? Answer. It's like the direct variation. Because you put the higher amount of fertilizer, then the plant have many leaves, long stem, and many sprouted seeds. D. As a student, do you think the use of organic fertilizer is advantageous? Why or why not? Answer. Yes. If the plant is just for displays or for fun only, but if they're planning to sell those, they shouldn't use fertilizer. Just like that, cause there is a chance that the plant may carry bacteria or viruses that can infect people. To summarize it all up, I realize fertilizers are important mostly in growing plants so that it grows healthy, and I learned what the effects of vermicompost on our plants. So guys, doon na nga tayo nagtatapos. Salamat at goodbye.